How to set up your Etoro account on mobile. So simply open your Etoro app, simply click on continue until you are on get started, click on this. Now if you want to change the language, scroll down, click on this flag and you can choose your language. I'm gonna go in English and choose which way you want to join the Etoro. I'm gonna sign up with Google. Enter here your username and accept the terms and conditions, and also mark the second option and click on create account. And now your Etoro account was created. Now you have to enter your first name and last name, choose your gender, enter your date of birth, next enter your home address and enter here your national number. Simply click on next. Now you have to answer these questions. You can simply skip that. If you don't know answers on this question, it doesn't matter. Choose your interest on this platform. Select your occupation. And now you have to complete the verification. Enter your phone number. And you have to enter your ID, password or residence permit. Once you are done, simply click on next. Now you have to verify your address. You can use bank statement, utility bill or government tax letter or statement. I'm gonna use bank statement. Upload here document. It must contain your full name, the issue's logo, your address and date no longer than 3 months old. So I'm gonna upload it and simply click on next. If you don't have the tax number, simply select this option. I'm not legally required to have TIN or functional equivalent. Click on next and submit your tax form. Here scroll down, agree to the certification, sign and submit. Now simply click on done. And now your account was successfully created. You have to wait until your verification is done and you can deposit your funds. I hope you found it helpful guys, see you next time.